What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Supreme 2019 Spring Summer Week 4 collection. Now, I don't know if you guys saw my last video, and if you did, I kind of apologize. I got my wisdom teeth taken out like a couple of days ago. I think it's like 5 days ago, something like that, 4 days. So my jaw is still like kind of hurts and it's a little bit swollen. So if I'm not like super energetic or like I'm not talking like normal, I guess you could say, just bear with me. Normal videos are gonna resume in a couple of days. So just bear with me for a couple more videos. Hopefully this should be the last one where I'm like really bad. So now that we got all that out of the way, let's just hop right into the video. So week 4 of the Supreme 2019 Spring Summer Collection is set to release this Thursday, March 23rd. This Thursday, March 22nd. This Thursday, March 21st. We have a couple really nice pieces this week, like the director's chair. As always, guys, there will be a doc link down in the description below going over every single piece releasing this week. Just for the sake of the video, and like my mouth is still really sore, I'm not going to be going through every single piece. I'm just going to be going through like all the hyped pieces and the pieces you can make profit on in this video. So if you want more information, just check the link down in the description below for the doc. Another thing is, guys, I am on spring break now, so I will be doing a live stream tomorrow for Supreme. So I definitely recommend you guys stop by. I'm going to be chilling, helping you guys out, answering any of your questions before the release. I'm not too sure what time I'm going to be live yet. Hit the little bell notification by my name to get updated whenever I upload a video and whenever I start live streaming. There's not really much else to say in the intro, guys. If you guys do enjoy the video or I help you out in any way, please hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button for more content. Also, I don't know if you can hear my dogs barking. If you can, I'm really sorry. So starting us off, we have the very much anticipated director's chair coming in at a retail price of $160. Honestly, guys, this is going to be probably the best piece this week. I see resale being definitely over $250 in both colorways, and I could see it like going $350 to $400. I definitely think this is going to be a great piece to hold if you can, because I definitely see the price going up a lot over time. Moving on, we have the City Art tee. This is coming in at a retail price of $98. And I see resale being somewhere around $130 to $150. I definitely think the white colorway is going to do the best. If you are going in terms of resale, I would probably go for a size small. Retail is a little bit on the higher side, so I'm not too sure. But if you are going for terms of resale, definitely go for a white small. Next up, we have the Zip Pouch hoodie. This is coming in at a retail price of $148. And I see resale being somewhere around $175 to $220. That is kind of a big gap. I don't really know why I said that much, but I definitely think the white colorway in a size small is going to do the best. Resale would be somewhere around $220 is what I would estimate. I definitely think there's profit to be made on that. As for the other colorways, I'm not too sure about them. The red colorway might do good also, but if you are going to go for resale, I'd definitely go for the white colorway in size small. Next up, we have the Supreme Nike Tailwind Force. I don't even know what's going on with these shoes. I mean, if you like them, you do you. They're coming in at a retail price of $190. I see resale being $200 to $230, $240, somewhere around that area. Honestly, personally, I'm going to be passing on these things. I don't see them having very good resale. I see them breaking hard. They're not a very good looking shoe in my opinion. Next up, we have the Gore-Tex Harrington jacket coming in at a retail price of $348. I see resale being somewhere around $375 to $400. That is for the black and the tan colorway. I don't think I don't even know what print that is. It's a, yeah, I don't know. I can't remember. Like a patch print, maybe something like that. I would probably stay away from these guys in terms of resale. It's too high like retail price, but if you do want to try, I mean, black colorway in a size small would probably be your safest bet. Next up, we have the Dip crew neck coming in at a retail price of $138. Now for this, I see resale being maybe $175. There's not like a lot of hype around these. Next up, we have the Life tee coming in at a retail price of $48. I see this having a resale value somewhere around $75 to $100. Definitely go for a size small, but I think these will be a quick flip. I would not really recommend holding them for a long period of time. I would definitely try to get it and flip it as fast as you can. Same thing with the last t-shirt. The Death tee is coming in at a retail price of $48, and I see resale being somewhere around $75 to $100. Just like the last t-shirt, I would go for a size small, and I'll try to flip it as fast as possible. You might be able to make 20 to 30 bucks. Next up, we have the Nike Air Tailwind hat coming in at a retail price of $45. I don't really see this having much resale. You might be able to make $10 to $15 off of it. Personally, I'm going to be passing on it. It's just not a very good piece in my opinion. Next up, we have the Life skate deck coming in at a retail price of $88. And I see this having a resale value somewhere around $120. Now we have seen the past kind of skate decks brick a little bit, so I would definitely be careful with this. It's one of those pieces I would try to flip immediately, like I said with the t-shirts. So Same thing, the last skate deck, we have the Death skate deck coming in at a retail price of $88, and I see resale being somewhere around $120. Same thing guys, I would just try to flip it as fast as possible. You might be able to make 20 bucks off of it. Next up, we have the Death sweatshirt coming in at a retail price of $158. I see resale being somewhere around $175 to $200. This is another piece I'd probably flip as quick as possible. In terms of resale, I definitely go for a small to make the most profit. Next up, we have a Death Afterlife long sleeve t-shirt coming in at a retail price of $58, and I see resale being somewhere around $90 to $110. I definitely go for a size small to make the most profit in terms of resale. And just like the last pieces, I would definitely try to flip it as fast as possible. It's kind of getting repetitive saying the same stuff guys, but for this collection, everything but the director's chair, I'd probably try to flip as fast as you can. I definitely see some of these pieces just breaking over time. Next up, we have the Life sweatshirt coming in at a retail price of $158, and I see resale being somewhere around $200. I know I keep saying this guys, go for a size small, flip it as fast as possible to make the most profit. That's pretty much all I have to say about this collection. Last but not least, we have the Death Afterlife skate deck coming in at a retail price of $88, and I see resale being somewhere around $125. Now that's pretty much it for this collection guys. Like I said, there is a doc link down in the description below going over every single piece, has the retail and resale values on it, and most likely if I didn't mention it in this video, it doesn't have any resale value on it. If I did help you guys out in any way, please make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more content. I do apologize guys, this is a pretty short video, but it's kind of hurting to talk right now, so I'm trying to just get this video out just so you guys know what's going on. Definitely make sure to stop by the stream tomorrow. I'm not too sure what time I'm going to be live just yet. Follow my Twitter down below for more information, and definitely make sure to hit that little bell icon so you know whenever I go live. And also feel free to DM me on Twitter if you have any questions or you need help setting up with the release. That's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.